Meet Adrian, Benny, and Celine, our three business owners who face common business challenges. Adrian owns a fine dining restaurant. On the weekends, his restaurant enjoys brisk business. However, on the weekdays, Adrian's restaurant is usually less than half filled. But Adrian still has to pay his employees, his utility bills, and maintenance services. How can we help Adrian fill up his restaurant on the weekdays? Benny is a young entrepreneur who has just started his internet marketing company. Like all young businessmen, Benny has tight cash flow but unlimited ideas for new business opportunities and new clients. How can we help Benny balance his ambition and tight cash flow? Finally, Celine, the owner of a well-established pest control company. Apart from fighting pests, Celine is also fighting high staff turnover. With a low cash budget for staff incentives, can we still help Celine retain her staff? Yes, we can. Adrian, Benny, and Celine's common business challenges can be easily solved with BBX. BBX is a B2B trading platform that helps businesses barter their goods and services to improve their bottom line and increase cash flow. Here's how. As members of BBX, Adrian, Benny, and Celine can now sell their excess inventory on BBX and earn BBX barter credits instead of cash whenever members purchase their products and services. Now, with their BBX barter credits in hand, Adrian, Benny, and Celine can enjoy all sorts of products and services from other members in the BBX network. Adrian now enjoys better business on weekdays thanks to the strong community of BBX members who spend their BBX barter credits at his restaurant. Benny also leverages on the BBX community to grow his business portfolio. With that, he can attract more cash businesses and increase his cash flow. He also reduces his entertainment expenses by using his BBX barter credits for business meetings. As for Celine, she now uses her BBX barter credits to purchase various incentives for her staff. This has helped to reduce staff turnover rates and improve motivation, productivity, and loyalty. As you can see, BBX is the solution to many common business problems. With a network over 11 countries and 15,000 cardholders within the BBX network, the opportunities are endless. No matter what industry you're in, BBX works. Be a part of BBX today.